Hi, Chuck Rogers, Windhurst Counseling Center. I want to take just a couple moments to tell you about something that's happening here in the Roanoke area that's very exciting. We are able to now provide for you treatment for sexual addiction here in your area. We have a wonderful person on staff. Her name is Bobby Jo Hurt. Bobby Jo is a licensed professional counselor, and she's also a licensed addictions expert as well. When we're talking about addiction, we're not just talking about using or abusing, but we're talking about somebody who is ingrained in a certain behavior and wants to stop, but is finding it impossible to do so. We're all very familiar with addiction to alcohol. We're also very familiar with addiction to drugs, but we're not so familiar and are becoming increasingly familiar with becoming addicted to other behaviors such as pornography or ineffective or inappropriate relationships. When I'm looking to help someone determine whether or not they're using or whether they're addicted, I typically help them to look at three different categories. One is, are they using the substance in a larger fashion than they once did? In other words, has their tolerance level increased? If we're looking at alcohol, maybe one beer used to get them kind of buzzed, but now it takes several. Or one puff off of a joint used to kind of make me high, but now I need a joint and I need to be able to smoke it by myself rather than share it with a crowd. So in other words, my tolerance level has increased. And when dealing with sexual addiction, the behavior that I used to involve myself in really would give me a high, but now I need a deeper level, a stronger level of sexual involvement in order to give myself that same rush that I once used to get. Secondly, in addition to tolerance level, I want to know, had there been repeated efforts to cut back or slow down, but I've just been unable to do so? Usually people are very serious about it. They mean, I need to slow down, I need to stop this use of drugs, this use of alcohol, or this use of pornography. And sometimes they're even able to do it successfully for a period of time, but they just seem to go back. So in other words, have I made an attempt or attempts to slow down or stop, but yet I go back and use anyway? So that's number two. The third one that I really look at is, are there unpleasant consequences happening to me or to people that I love and care about, family, friends, but yet I continue to use anyway? So are you having things that are happening to you in your life or to other people that are unpleasant or unwanted or harmful or painful, but yet you continue to use your substance, whether it be alcohol or another type of drug or pornography? So if you answered yes to any of these, it really is time for you to be able to talk with someone who can help you to determine, are you dealing with a behavior that needs a specialist on board to help you to break this addiction. So Chuck Rogers, Windhurst Counseling Center, give us a call at 434-237-2655 and we'll get you to feeling really good in the Roanoke area.